we were talking earlier, not everyone might know this, but some executives of organizations are being personally held liable for data leaks. And that's something that follows you to your next organizations as well.
So, you know, executives and boards are responsible for addressing risk within their organizations. And with this new SEC rule that came out recently, it's clear that the SEC is saying, hey, by the way, you're supposed to address risk in your organization, but cybersecurity is a very important risk that you really need to pay attention to. So I think what's happening now is instead of it being an IT problem or a tech problem or a CISO problem, it's starting to be a company problem or an everybody problem, and people are starting to be held accountable for it. If you look at some of these recent cases, who is being held accountable for these things? Is it always a CISO that's going to take the blame and be the scapegoat for these problems that happen? So you got to make sure that you're covered with the right type of insurance, like D&O insurance in your organization as a CISO. But you got to make sure that the decisions that are made are well documented so that everybody takes responsibility for those things. So that goes back to the thing we talked about before about subject matter expert, risk appetite. Here's the different things that we can do. Here's my recommendation of what we do, and then let the business make the decision.